Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma in my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Big Kitchen. So we have some chicken wings right here. We're about to chop them up. But before we chop them up, we'll go ahead and clean it with some of this lime juice and vinegar. Okay, my wings is rinsed, pat dry. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut this little part off. Boom. We don't want this. We're gonna throw that away. I'll cut this part right here. Boom. We'll keep them. That's what we working with. That gone. And these two stay. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we'll go ahead and give it a nice light seasoning. Some of that slap your mama seasoning. And some Italian seasoning. Go ahead and put on my glove. I have 2 eggs over here. Right, crack them bad boys. We have some cornstarch. We'll add just a little bit of cornstarch, not much, but right there. And we have an all-purpose flour. It's 1 cup. Two cups of all-purpose flour. We'll go ahead and season the flour. Same seasoning. And slap your mama seasoning. And Italian. We ain't gonna switch up at all. And now, go ahead and mix it in. Don't make the same mistake I just made. I should have mixed the egg into that chicken first. But here we go right here. Now that's how we look. So I should have did that first. You know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 more egg. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna add a little more flour. Okay, so this little cup right here, this is a half a cup. So them 2 cups made 1 cup of flour. So instead of grabbing another egg, we'll grab a half a cup of water. Boom, pour it in there just like that, just like so. Now we're gonna hit it with the flour. Now I'm gonna mix it in, and we're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then we'll start frying. Okay, so the grease is nice and hot. Boom. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. You know that saying when they say your chicken done, it'll flow to the top. You want to make sure it's done in the inside, because it really won't be done in the inside. You bite into it, you be like, oh, hold on, I gotta put that back in there. So once it's flow to the top, you just want to mess with it. Turn it around, turn it over, like so. And then let it do its thing for another couple minutes. Just like I'm doing right now. See? You can also take it out, let it sit for a couple minutes, and put it back in there. But we ain't gonna do all that. We just go ahead and let it do its thing. Okay, so there we go. Fried chicken, nice and crispy. Yeah, and good too. So we have our habanero pepper with our garlic. I'm about to go ahead and chop this up, and we'll get to the next. Okay, so we have our cornstarch right here. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're gonna take our bottle of water and we'll add some water to it. I say not that much water. Just want to mix it in. So this is how we're gonna thicken up that orange sauce. And the only thing we're using is orange juice. That's it. And a little bit of soy sauce. We're gonna have to stir it one more time once we get ready to pour it in there to thicken it up. So we're gonna have to stir it again. So we're gonna put that to the side. Boom. I'm gonna cut up these oranges and get the juice up out of there. Alright, so we just go grab our orange and just get that juice up out of there. Okay, so we have a little bit of butter in there. We'll go ahead and add our pepper. I only cut like half of the habanero pepper because it's extra hot. We have our garlic. We have our green onion. Just want all the flavors to come together. I put a little bit of butter in there, not a lot. Alright, we'll add our soy sauce. Then we'll add our orange juice. You can cut up some of the orange and put it in there also. So now you're gonna just stir that up, mix that together. If you want to, you can get some of that orange zest, add it. Some Italian parsley. And that's why I say we gotta stir it up again. Boom. There we go right there. Now we're gonna stir it until it get thick. Okay, here we go right here. I made more chicken than that, but we just go ahead. Orange these pieces up. Just mix it in like that. I'll mix everything up. And we'll get this good food on a nice plate. So we can close this video. Okay, so here we go right here. Here go our spicy fried orange chicken. When I say it's fire, it's fire. For sure. And it's not too spicy at all. It ain't spicy. But everybody's taste bud is different. Remember that. You could just make you some regular orange chicken. But that's how we're looking right here in this kitchen. I done made it happen. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget hit that like button and share my video if you don't mind. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.